Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbie, student of the Breathe Science Institute in a batch of 17th of a Pharma. Today I will tell you about the urinary system. The urinary system, also known as the urinary tract or a renal system, consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladders and the urethra. The purpose of the urinary system is to eliminate waste from the body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure, control levels of electrocytes and metabolites, and regulate blood of the pH. The urinary tract is the body system for the eventual removal of the urine. The kidneys have an extensive blood supply via the renal arteries, which leaves the kidney via the renal vein. Each kidney consists of functional units called the nephron. The urinary system, following filtration of blood and further processing waste, that means in the form of the urine, exist of the kidney via the uterus tube made of the smooth muscle and fiber that proper urine towards. Urine is formed the kidney through filtration of blood. The urine is then passed through the uterus and the bladder. When it is stored during urination, the urine is passed from the bladder through the urethra to the outside of the body. Normally produced every day in a healthy human, 1800 to 2000 millimeters. This amount varies according to the urine fluid intake the kidney functions. The structures of the urinary system. The urinary system refers to the structures that produce and transport urine to the point of excretion. The urinary system in the human urinary system, there are two kidneys that are located between the dorsal body wall, partial on both the left and right sides. The urinary system in the formation of urine beings within the function unit of the kidneys. The nephrons, urine then flow through the nephron called collecting ducts. These collecting ducts then join together to form the mirror calculus, followed by the major calculus that ultimately join the renal pelvis. From here, urine continuous is the flow from the renal pelvis into the urethral, transporting urine of the human urinary system. The functions of the urinary system is the excretion of the waste product, regulatory pH volume, and excrete out the pH pressure, and then red blood cell, and selection of the vitamin D. That are the function of the urinary system. Urine exists through the external urethra. The female urethra is much store beginning at the bladder, neck, and terminating in the vaginal. Thank you. बीजामध्ये अटकला होता तू, पाहत होता का फंक्शन कुठे?
मी कुठे बघतोय तुझं समजत नाही, तू पागल सारखी काही बोलते.
मग फंक्शन मी स्वतः बोलत होती.
हे बघ काय बोलली तू माहिती तू?
ते पण होते इथे. हा
काय